Yo, what is up, guys? We're back with another video, and it's an install. It's going to be really good for the truck. It's actually an install that I've been wanting to do for a long time now. Let me tell you what happened with everything. So I ordered it. It was here last Wednesday, and it ended up being the wrong year and the wrong intake. The wrong what? Anyway. It ended up being the wrong part, and nothing against them or anything. You know, I called them, contacted them. It was really cool. They just sent out another one, sent that one back. They had that one sent out before I even sent the other one back. Really cool to work with. You know, stuff just gets picked out wrong and stuff like that. It happens. But we got it now. They actually. Just one day shipped it to me. They're like I said, they're really cool about everything. And let me show you what we got, and then we're gonna get to putting this install in. All right, guys. So here's what we got. Nice packaging and everything's real nice. Big old filter. Huge intake here. We got a cold air intake, boys. That's what we went and got. I went with, it's AFE. I'm gonna go inside and talk. I don't know if it's windy out here for you guys or not. So I went with the AFE brand. It's a stage 2. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys more of it when I take it out of the packaging and everything. You guys are going to see the whole install. So let's get to this thing and let's get putting it in, because I'm kind of hyped to hear what the difference in the sound is, and the difference of the power and just the throttle response and everything. So let's get to building this thing. Alright, guys, we're going to get right into the install here. I'm going to take this one out. It's just a bolt here. And then you unhook your sensor and this hose clamp here. And then you can pull your intake right out of here. And we'll go down there. We'll loosen up the clamp that is onto the turbo and pull this big box, this tubing out of here. And that's it. That's how easy that is to take out. And then we'll pop the other one in. I'll catch you guys back whenever I get this one out, and show you how you got it opened up and put that other one in. Alright, the stock one's out now, as you can see down there. Still got the silencer ring in. We're just gonna see what it sounds like with the new intake in, because the forums and everything are saying that you can hear the turbo pretty well with it without even taking the silencer ring out. And I have the means to buy another turbo if need be, so we'll see what it sounds, and I'll pull the ring off if I want to hear some more turbo whistle. And you know, if anything happens, we're definitely gonna get another one. Even it's gonna come anyway. There's so many upgrades that are coming to this truck, and so let's just show you the old one here. All right, here's the old one here. It's got this like the turbo muffler, or whatever you want to call it, on here. It's got like that foam in here. Kind of defeats the purpose of a intake here, because it's, you know, holding so much air back. But we got this one now, so we should be good. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna start installing it right now. I'm gonna let you guys see that. I mean, taking it out's pretty simple, so you know, let's get this going. All right, so we got all this little like shielding here from the roof, or the roof from the hood, like we're in a freaking house. All right, it's pretty simple, it seems. Just throw this down in here, you know, just bolts up to your regular mounts. Once she gets in here, nice. Wow, this thing's like, this is huge. I'll tell you that. This thing is massive. Alright, that's what she said, right? Now I just gotta figure out how this mount hooks in here. Okay, bolt there, that makes it pretty simple, pretty easy. And I don't know that bolt. Oh, we can get to that. Alright. Maybe. Alright guys, I'm gonna bolt this all up. Let me show you guys. There's a bolt here and back here in this corner. And this is for your intake tube and stuff, clearly. I gotta figure out how this mount actually goes. I didn't tighten this down, I just slapped it on there, and now I gotta figure out how it goes on there. I think that's it, guys. Just them couple bolts, and then we'll be installing the intake. I don't know how good you guys can see, but we got this bolt in and this bolt here. For this bolt back here, I went through back under here this way. It's a lot easier. It's kind of hard to get through right here. See, I just went under, tightened it up. It's all good. Everything's tight. And now, that was the hard part. That actually took me a second to get that one. But not too bad. Pretty good so far. And let's get to the next step here, boys. So we got the intake on. This thing's a monster. It's honestly huge. There's a bolt right here that you have to tighten down. A little hole right here that you can go through. Still got to connect our sensor to here. We put a little cap on this and a cap on this hole because we're not using them. There's some hose clamps to the turbo. Everything's really nice and together. And now it's time to put the filter on, hook the sensor up. Hold on, I'll put this little freaking thing back here. There we go. Now, in the forums, it did say that it rubs on the oil filter a little bit. Now, when it's hooked up to the turbo, it barely does. It's honestly fine. So, we're gonna put the filter and stuff in and start her up, and we'll see how it sounds. That's about it, guys. Pretty simple project to do. Only took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes with filming. So, you know, everything when you film it takes a little bit longer. But let's get the filter on here and get her running. Alright, so the finished product, boys. Looks good. Everything's nice and tight. Perfect. Time to crank her over and take her for a rip. We'll see how it sounds, how it performs. Let's see. Alright guys, let's take it down the road real quick. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear a difference in the cab or not. And then we'll end out this video. Alright, so just pulling out of my driveway, I can hear a difference, but let me show you guys what it sounds like. Such a big difference. I hope you guys can hear it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back and end it out for you. That intake made a difference like night and day, honestly, to tell you guys the truth. Definitely recommend it. It's AFE stage 2 cold air intake. It's crazy. I hope you guys can actually hear the turbo. I'm sure you can because it's actually screaming. And the ring's still in. I didn't even take the silencer ring out. Now that I'm hearing the truck, I'm not going to. I was deciding to. Like, I was like, yeah, I might. But it's actually like insane how loud it is. So we're just going to leave it in. And we're going to keep continuing to build this truck, man. That got me hype right there. And big things are coming now for it. This year's going to be a different... That bird literally just flew past my head. But this is going to be such a turning point for the truck this year, and I hope you guys like the videos. I'm trying to get them out weekly, and we're going to keep continuing this. And thank you guys for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Please smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys think, what you want to see, anything. I'm always in the comments. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.